Mic testing 1 2 3. Hi, welcome to Digitek. I am your host Karanveer Singh. Now, let me tell you on how to use your Digitek DWM 101 wireless microphone system. Step 1. Switch on your transmitter. Step 2. Now pair your transmitter by pressing the power button on the receiver. Step 3. Now you will see the pairing link is active on both the devices. Step 4. Now select the mode of recording on your transmitter. There are 3 modes. Normal for regular recording. It's the preset mode when you switch on the transmitter. Noise cancellation. You have to press the mode button once to activate. The noise cancellation mode is usually used where there is a lot of disturbance in the background. Now, the last mode, the echo mode. To activate this mode, you have to long press the mode button. You will see the echo mode light on. This mode is used mostly by anchors on stage or at a performance. There is one more button to mute your microphone, which is next to the power button. To activate mute mode, press it once. You will see the mic icon light will turn red. To unmute, press the button again. There is an audio jack in your transmitter, which is being used if you and the other person who is using the transmitter need to talk to one another. There is a C-type slot to charge your microphone. Now let's understand the receiver. Switch on the power button to pair with transmitter. You have volume control button at the top to adjust the sound recording volume. There is a mute button to mute the sound recording. We have a 3.5 mm jack which can be used for sound quality check. There is a Type-C slot which is used for two purposes. First, to charge the receiver, and second, to connect it to a camera or smartphone while recording. Digitek DWM 101 wireless microphone system for laptop, DSLR, camcorder, smartphone and tablet. Oh, by the way, the whole video is recorded on the same gear.